Alright, so I'm going to shoot this video in 3 parts. I mean, you know, it's one video that you're watching right now. I'm just, telling you, the regular viewers who are accustomed to majorly, watching this video at one spot, in the sense like, I go to a particular spot where I will go. Okay, it's pitch black, all right, and I start the video from there. However, I'm making an exception in this case. So first part would be the startup, because that's beautiful, as you'll see in a minute. Then I'll park the car like this. This is right outside my house. Yes, I live in a jungle. And I will show you the car from outside, the beautiful puddle lamps. And then the third part, I will go to the usual spot. All right. So 3, 2, 1. Look at that dance. All right, yeah, that was it. Okay, now I'll park the car like this and show you a couple of other things. All right, let me quickly show you this. One, two, three. Did you see that? Let me give you a closer look. This is beautiful and classy, and of course it's on both the sides. Right. And okay, so I'll do this again. So this Mercedes-Benz, okay, the moment I open the door, it lights up, the intensity, okay, gets higher, and then it sort of simmers down. Okay. Is it closed? Yes. Okay, so pay attention to C. All right. Yep. And should I think I can show you the blinkers. All right, now let's quickly go to our usual spot so that I can show you the meat of the video. And of course, you can change the ambient lighting. I think there are more than 60 colors, shades. All right. Alright, so we are finally at that spot, and this is how the road looks. Alright, and of course the DRLs are on, and woo, the dance. Alright, and okay, I want you to check the cornering lamps as well. and they do not shut off immediately. Okay, see, of course they would come on, they would switch on immediately, and of course that's how it should be, but then the switching off is gradual, classy. Look at that on the right hand side. Yes, and still on, and now the class act. Great. Okay, and that's the high beam. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, amazing headlights. Did you see that? Did you see that? So this is what happens when you keep it on auto. All right, keep it on auto, and the car will decide what to light up. Okay, and yes, it's more intelligent than you. Okay, let me see if I can repeat that. I'm not repeating that. The car will do that. Let's do this. Okay, instead of, so I was showing you the flash. Let's see what happens if I take the same stretch, okay, and I do not fiddle around. I let the car decide and see what it decides. Okay, so it's on auto. I'm not touching anything. See, look at that. Okay, it's on high beam, and even then it would light up the parts that it thinks need to be lit up. Okay, so yeah, please leave it on auto, and you'll have a better time than trying to manage the lights by yourself. Okay, so this could be a comparatively longer video as compared to my other headlight videos, but yeah, it's a Mercedes, and I'm sure you would want to see more of this. So yeah, see, it opens like a curtain. Okay, a curtain of lights, and this is beautiful. Look at that throw, that spread. But then yeah, you know, that's my duty. I have to show you the high beam. Initially no one would know that, you know, what the car would think. Okay, but then yeah, I'll now leave it completely on auto and let the car do its magic. See, I so love this. You would want to drive at night, you know, just to see the lights dance. I am not touching anything, okay? See, wow. I love that curtain. See, it automatically went to the low beam, and let's see when it gets back to the high beam. Let's go here, why not? High beam. Low beam automatically, of course, everything is happening automatically. I'm not doing anything. Of course, I'm talking about the lights. Let's see. You see, notice over there, focus over there. Well, I would have wanted high beam over here, so yes, I would have taken charge in my hands. So yes, cars have become quite intelligent, but then they cannot anticipate your need. Okay, for example, I would want high beam here. Okay, and yes, it heard me. I would say that, 98% of the time, in fact, for the majority, 100% of the time, you can leave it on auto and, it would do a better job than you. And, there's one thing less on your head. See, to take care of. You can just concentrate on driving. Yeah, I know the battery is down. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Okay, this is a beautiful car. Oh, I should show you the camera. Oh, all right, so that's the front view, that's the rear view. All right, you can leave it on auto, and it's a brilliant camera, of course. All right, so yeah guys, do hit that like button, do subscribe if you haven't already, and do leave a comment even if you do not have a question, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.